My name is Nevis. I want to teach you how to make the bread round. Come Thomas to me. First I'll be doing like this. And after I press like this to get one size of the buns. When we are young, we are taught to do this. You can do this, but it takes a lot of time. You can get them round, but not so good like these ones. So it's much more easier to do this. It's a little bit sticky, then I have to use some wheat flour to make it easier to press them out. Very easy. As you can see how easy it is. Everyone can do this. A young child at 5 can do this. It would be also fun to do it with your kids and all that. Form and press. It's again sticky. I have to get some meal here. But don't use so much meal because the dough gets so hard. Isn't it quite easy? Oops. Very, very easy. And then again the dough is getting see how easy it is? This is the easiest way to make them round. And it doesn't take so much time if you're going to make 100 or 200. That was it. Thank you for your time. I'm Nevis again.